go.
You want to come down? Is that what you're saying? It's like, that's bright. I'm looking to go to bed soon. They'll fall asleep in your hand like a little cat or puppy when you pet them. I fall asleep in my little palm. Oop, turn around. The camera. There you go. Probably won't fall asleep because it's a little bright with the light, but they'll fall asleep in your palm. You ready for bed, little baby? You want to take a nap with me, little baby birds? Oops. Was he falling asleep? Or she?
Too loud.
All right, we're gonna say goodnight, guys. Ooh. Look at those little wings. Let's say goodnight to them. I'll give you a little snack, some berries, some seeds, and bread, and oatmeal, and some veggies, and we'll go to bed. Bye, guys. We love you.
Oh.
We need two. Let's get two because we'll each hold our own. Hold them up. Okay, you want to come down, little buddy?
There you go, little flute.
We're going to get night now. Let's get a couple close-ups of the little babies. I know, the little light doesn't feel good in your face. You've been celebrity chicks.
Yeah.
Lemon
And Sunshine.
and Sunshine are the two littlest yellow ones. Help us name the other ones. Leave a comment with the names and please subscribe to help animals and share a factory farm video like meatvideo.com or meat.org. Share it often with your friends. Factory farms. Birdman, vegan future. Again, birds and fish are the most abused lives on Earth. 99% of eggs and chicken come from sick factory farms where they suffer from birth to death. And fish, those come from nasty sick fish farms or massive super trawler nets that rape oceans. Over 99% of all animals consumed are birds and fish. Most people don't even eat one cow a year or even half a pig. Birds and fish account for 99% of all animals consumed. You want to say goodnight, birdie?
Good night, birdies.
Cluck, cluck, cluck you, Chick-fil-A. Tyson, Purdue, too. Liars, factory farmers. Your beautiful little eyes. You want to say goodbye too, Lemon? Good night, Lemon. Good night, Sunshine. Oh, what's this one over here? Oh, that's a wind-up one.
Oh, I'm sorry, little Floofy.
They're like, who's this new guy in town? Leave a comment with what you think we should name the others before giving them to the sanctuary, since we rescued them. Again, Lemon and Sunshine are two of them. This one, Sunshine. You want to go to bed, guys? You telling me that?
Yeah.
Is that what you're telling me? So hard to put these away. You're so sweet.
They're so cute.
You're sweet.
How could you eat one?
Wings are for flying, not frying.
And cuddling. Yeah.
Vegan is the future. Now that you don't have any more stress, we can go to bed with our birds. Go to sleep, little baby.